How's it going, guys? For today's video we're going to do an unboxing of a solar generator and some solar panels. I'm actually getting ready to film another video here in about a week or so of some pellet grill power options, and I'm going to be featuring different options to power your pellet grill for tailgating and camping and things like that. So I figured I might as well just do some unboxing of some of the products that are going to be in that video. So what we got here is a product from Inergy Solar. It's a lithium-ion solar generator. This is how it shipped to me. You can just see the specs here, and these should be some solar panels and some other accessories and stuff. So I'm gonna go ahead and start cutting this stuff open, and let's get started. Alright guys, I went in and cut the tape on the box. Go ahead and get started here. Alright, looks like it's pretty well protected. Pull it out here. It's a really tight fit, I like it. That means it wasn't bouncing around too much. Okay. There we go. This is what she looks like. Go ahead and get it open here. Alright, let's see what we got here. In this box it looks like we've got an owner's manual. A little carrying strap. Looks like a power cable or charge cable. And some terminals, because this is expandable with marine grade batteries and a few other types, I believe. And then, let's see what we got here. And lithium-ion charger, so this actually goes together like so. Some more cables. And the unit itself, it's actually not too heavy. I believe it weighs about 20 pounds or so. But you can see you got the expandable terminals right here on the side. Sorry, I couldn't say that. And then you got your cigarette lighter adapters, your 12 volt, and then your regular plug-ins here. And then these are USBs. I think I called these cigarette lighters for some reason. And then this is your 30 amp here. So, alright, I'm going to move some of this stuff and let's go ahead and open the solar panels here. Alright guys, these should be the solar panels here. Starting to see a common theme there. It's pretty well protected, as you can see. There's bubble wrap or these bubble things throughout the whole side of the panels, which is nice to see. I think that's it that's in here. So, go ahead and take the tape off of these. Definitely some of the best packaging I've seen, to be honest with you guys. Go here, and I believe these are 50 watts a piece. Alright guys, these are called the Predator 50s. So I'm going to go ahead and bust out the owner's manual, and we'll go ahead and set this up real quick. Alright guys, I went ahead and connected the solar panels together, and all they do is they slide into one another here, and then when connecting them you want to make sure these two arrows line up. And on the corner of these solar panels there's a little port here, and here. When they're connected like this, you only need to connect it to one port, so that cable that came inside the box plugs into there, and then it goes into the side of the actual unit here. And it just plugs in right here. I'm not going to plug it in quite yet because the owner's manual states that you need to fully charge this unit before plugging in any solar panels or anything like that. So that's what we're going to go ahead and do. But there's two different charge ports. This one's the your normal for the AC charge, the wall charger, the solar charger and things like that. This one's for the high current charging input, and this is for your car chargers and things like that. So there's two different options here, and for this particular setup with this cord, we'll be putting it into there. And I went ahead and installed these little terminals here. They just kind of screwed in and out there. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you what the box looks like, because I know I like to look at, you know, the packaging myself, so I figured others would too. But you can see here it says the Kodiak. It's 1100 watt lightweight solar generator, and they're saying it's 55 watts a pound. So, and the thing that appealed to me about this is the 2000 charge cycles. Unlike you would say Goal Zero, I believe they're 400 charge cycles, and this has a shelf life of about 10 years, I believe. So it just says why is solar better than gas? It's silent, odorless, limitless, and portable. And then here we got the back of the box, and that's just explaining what the whole unit is here, and we'll go over that. But it's saying you can charge your smartphone 150 times, your tablet 30 times, your laptop 20. And then they do sell the Basecamp LEDs as well, and I think I'm going to pick one of those up to see how they are. But you can see you can do a 1000 watt microwave for an hour, and then just kind of shows you there. And then they have the wall charger. I believe it takes 11 hours to charge through the wall, or 4.5 if you get their their car charger. So, but all right, well, let's go ahead and just look at the front of the unit. I'm not going to go into too much detail here, and the reason being is because I'm going to go over this in my other video. I know I kind of mentioned this earlier on what these are, but I'll just explain to them a little bit better here in a second. Alright guys, this is a close-up of the solar generator here. These ports here are for the Basecamp LED lights that Inergy sells here, and then these two car sockets, these are always live, so you can actually plug things in without having the unit powered on for them to work. As far as these USBs and these plugs here, you're gonna have to power the unit up in order for them to work. And when you do that, your screen's gonna pop up with a whole bunch of information here, and then you got your lights right here, and every one of these lights, they represent 10% battery life, so it looks like we're at 50% right now. And these plugs here, I believe they're actually 10 amps a piece, and then this one 30 amps as well. And this has, I just mentioned a second ago, a 10-year shelf life. Energy recommends that you actually charge this every 3 months. So if you're not using it, just put a charge on it and things like that. So, and I also went ahead and installed this strap here. You can see this carrying strap. It has a really nice padding to it, so it kind of gives you a different option on carrying this around. It's really not that heavy, but it frees up your hands with this strap, so you can carry something else, you know, so you're not making multiple trips to wherever your destination is. So, but I think I covered everything in this video. Just look out for the next one where I put this to the test, and I can further explain anything else that I didn't cover in this video. So yeah, that's everything, guys. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, go ahead and leave them down below. I'll also leave links to any of the products in all my videos in the description box as well, guys. Thanks for watching.